Zdravím vás pri natáčaní Batman Arkham City. Ale iba Arkham City, žiadne Harley Quinn Revenge. Vyzerá to dosť drsne. Samozrejme, že budem preskakovať boje, ale... Aha, hovorí o nej. V minulej sérii sme ju porazili. Dobre, tak, ideme sa k nej dostať. A sme tam. Prečo som ich všetkých pobil. Harley?
Don't worry, Alfie. Quinn never was too smart. I'll be okay.
Level up. No, toto je ventech. Preboha! Bude také veľké ako predtým. No, vyzerá inak. Všimnite si. Tá tvár. Vlasy. Tu noga trošku čierne. A tetovanie. Tak, to je ona. Doktorka Harlan F. Quinzel. Skrátene Harley Quinn. No a teraz vám ukážem Ventech. Vítajte vo Ventechu. Tu si vlastne môžete vylepšovať už vaše schopnosti. Aj tu aj Catwoman. Takže kúpime speciál combo Swear. Kúpime toto. Niekedy sme ako Batman vo filme. Lololo. Fajn. Čo? Nebolo lo?
Let the lady go, Matt Frank, or these people all get a bullet in their heads.
I think you should do what he says. It would be a shame to get blood all over my nice new outfit. What do you think, Matt Frank? Like it?
Preboha, to komu hovorí?
Hey, of course you do. Who wouldn't?
Ja som tu?
Anyway, here's the deal.
Konečne sa na mňa otočila.
Not up to a visit right now.
Si šialená.
Feeling himself.
Vidíte to, čo je?
Right?
Ale nie.
Earlier, but that's not what I meant. He's not doing so good, and that idiot doctor I sent from here didn't help. I've seen more smarts from these bozos. I've got it up, boys. If he does anything funny, kill him.
No, jasne, užite si zábavu. Zabijú ma. Počkaj!
Attacking on thugs head on is suicide.
Myšlienky.
I need to disappear. Pick them off silently, one by one. Don't you move, Batman.
Drop smoke.
There in the swamp.
Toto bude sranda.
There I am. Good. Let's keep it that way.
Moje obľúbené. Detektív
Line
mode.
out my tactics. 4 thugs, all armed, 2 hostages. This is gonna be easy. We need to get out of here. He's gonna get us. Batman, can you hear me? Try and get us and these people die. That won't stop him. Man, I'm gonna die in here.
Dobre, ideme týmto dvom rozdrbať gebule. Ospravedlňujem sa za výraz.
If I can get behind those 2 without being seen, I can take them both in one move.
Tak, držte mi palce. A je poň. Rozdrbal som im gebule, tak ako som slúbil.
Wait here and don't make a noise. He's got a hostage. I can glide to the scaffolding above him without being seen and take him down from there.
To čo? On sa tam zdržal. To je nefér. Čo? Už zase?
Who's gonna save you now?
No dobre. Vrátim sa, až keď ju úplne porazím. Takže sa uvidíme pri porážke. Musíme byť ticho. Ako vidíte, sme veľmi blízko pri ňom. Držte mi palce.
You'll be okay. Wait here and don't make a noise.
Tak. A ešte posledný. Bez nám ľahšie na tú všetku. Chudák. To muselo boliť.
The room is secure. You're
To
safe
čo je
now.
tu? To čo? Vidíte? Riddle. Enigma!
You were supposed to. That was merely a taste of what is to come. You will regret trying to outsmart me. You will solve my riddles, and you will collect my trophies. You may not want to, but you must. It's a matter of life and death.
Je divný. Veľmi divný. No a týmto sa končí náš nový let's play Batman Arkham City. Zošedla obrazovka! Nie zošedla. Uvidíme sa.